Hi guys, and welcome back to another Whatever Wednesday, and there's going to be like a three-parter here. Okay, so as you can see, I cut some of these off because you know how like in Dollar Tree they have like the packages of the felt coasters. So I thought to myself, hey, why not, I already have a pink one, it has bunnies on it. So I'll show you what I did. I mean, it's kind of like self-explanatory here, but I was thinking that I could get good shapes out of all of them, but you really can't. You got to kind of pick and choose which ones you want to do, because like when I cut a round one on this, it'll cut into that. So let's see, I think I'll do this one because this would make a really, really good coaster, right? So, as you can see, you kind of got to like figure out the shape of it. But I'm thinking to myself, I could probably get quite a few coasters out of this. I didn't like really count exactly how many, but I might have to change the shape of the top of that to make it look a little bit more like an egg. Okay. But you kind of get where I'm going with it, right? Let's do one more. Let's cut out the tulip because I already did a bunny. And I'll probably do as many as I can without, like the ones that I can make the shape out of. You know what I mean? In other words, like now this one will not be able to be a coaster, that bunny, because of the way I cut into it. So let's go ahead and I'll put this aside for now. And you'll see the shapes I cut out so far. So there's the tulip. There's an egg. I'll just put them like this. Oh, I did two of them. And I gotta kind of fix that. That's a little bit like crooked right there. Look, it's a little bit squared off. And that's a little pointy. But how cute are they for coasters, right? And I didn't count how many coasters well, you know what, that one didn't come out that great. I'm gonna get rid of that one. But anyway, you get it, right guys? So I thought that would be a cute idea, because I really don't need two table runners. So I think I'll do a lot of bunnies though. How cute are those? So let's go ahead and I'll show you the next part of the video. So I was at the library again today, and I did some printouts. This is the only one that I did for the St. Patrick's Day. This one says, here's wishing you a bright and happy St. Patrick's Day. And I actually thought that was going to come out bigger. So I'm going to have to go back because I don't know how to like fix the sizes on the computer. Because see how what I did here? I kind of took the top off of that because I'm still trying to finish my Valentine journal, my joy journal. But look at how cute that one is for Easter coming up, because I'm going to be doing Easter in my journal. And here is one for Be My Valentine. That is so cute. I've got your number, and the connections are good. I love these old-fashioned Valentines, as you might know if you saw my joy journal. And again, I got to figure out how to size it up. But here's some of the cute little ones. I gotta make them a little bit bigger though. And I did this two of these by accident. And then I love glam, so I'm thinking about doing a theme of glam, and that might be actually, I'm not definite, but that might be my first for the Journal Jubilee. I'm not definite though. I can't decide if I want to do my first one with a glam theme. And here is another one for Easter. And let's see what else I got. Here's another little one for Easter. I thought that was going to be bigger. Again, I do have to figure out how to adjust the sizes. And then there's another glam. So again, we'll see about what I start next Tuesday for the Journal Jubilee. Don't forget to check that out next Tuesday. That's an open collab. And let me go ahead and show you the third part of my Whatever Wednesday. Okay, so it's not going to be a long video, not much longer. This is the Hemp Heaven body wash, and it smells really good, so I grabbed some of that. And then sometimes I don't like to put conditioner in my hair because my hair is so fine, So I'll just wash it, and then I can put some of this in there. And, you know, that can go on adult hair too. It doesn't just have to be for kids. And then I grabbed these two materials. If you can't see it, this is kind of like a blackish and white. And this, and I'll tell you why I got these, all right? So you see these bunnies right here? So instead of these, I have a couple of packs of these that I got at the Dollar Tree. And instead of me having these colors, I'm going to put them, I'm going to have to, I'll do that in a DIY, but I'm going to make them this color and this color. I'm going to get a little bit more grown up instead of having like that very childlike look to it. I'm going to trace these on here and glue them on. I'm going to have to take the tails off, and then I'll have to glue the tails back on. And I'm going to have a banner of every other bunny is going to be one of these colors. And I can't wait to show you that. It's coming up in a video, and hopefully it'll come out good, because I'm going to take my time with it. And, you know, hopefully, like I said, hopefully it will come out good. Oh, and I want to show you one other thing. Okay, that was, well, you know what? There's a few other things I got at the Dollar Tree. Where do you see this cute material? How cute is that? And I'm going to use that for my journal as well. Okay, for the background, obviously, for like finishing up the Valentine. But I thought those were cute. Let me see the size. Okay, so these might just be strips. Let me check. Okay, so what you see in the package is what you get. They're just strips. It says they're 36 inches long by 2 inches. But that's okay, because I can put them on top of each other. I can make it seem like the background, like by going like that. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my Whatever Wednesday. I hope you're all having a great night, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye now.